Hello everybody, it's Natalie here, the Pilates Mama. I just wanted to send a quick little video and let you know that for those of you who cannot join me at the studio, if you're not here on the Central Coast of California, and if you've been wanting to participate in my Beyond the Kegel workshop, which is a pelvic floor strengthening workshop, where I give you Pilates exercises to strengthen your pelvic floor if you're experiencing any weakness, whether it be incontinence or organ prolapse, or if you just want to learn more about how to strengthen your pelvic floor after having a baby, whether it was recent or years ago. It's never too late. I recorded the 45-minute PowerPoint presentation that I teach in person, and I've included a PDF with exercises plus 2 Pilates videos so that you can continue your Pilates practice on your own and at home. I will post the link in the comments, and I will also post a coupon code for you to purchase the presentation and the workshop for $10 off. It'll be on the website for $25 as part of the community. I will give you the community code, which is community, so that you can purchase this for $10 off. Please send any questions my way. I hope you enjoy it and that you can continue your practice, Pilates practice at home, and continue to strengthen your body. Talk to you guys soon.